Hello everyone, this is our practical implementation. We have made Koti, a housing rental website for our thesis. Here you can see Salesforce developers org, and you can see our website's URL and then the builder. Let's go to the builder. Builder is used to design the website, and you can also publish the changes that the user can see without any functions to the builder itself. So we have the logo, and then how the nav bar looks, what color the buttons are, what theme is the website on. All these things could be put through the builder, and then you can just put the publish button and then it publishes the website. So this is through the builder. Now let's head over to our website. So I have logged in with my testing user. You can see here this is the website. So we have all the pictures here. All these pictures are made by us through Canva, so there's no copyright issue. This is the landing page of the website. Now let's head over to the marketplace. This is the marketplace. So you can see different kinds of properties here. When you click view details, it takes you to the details of the property, like if the property, how big it is, and what are the amenities that it has. Let's say I add to cart this, and then this. Let's say I add to cart these things. I have the button to go to cart. I will see all the properties that I have added here. I have the option to remove them as well. And then once I click checkout, then it shows this prompt, and then it takes it away from your cart because you have already checked it out. Let's head over to the products. So in the product list, you have the search for this list, and then you have all the properties that we had seen before, and then this has all the amenities that the properties contain. So you can also come here and have a look. Let's say that you want something that needs to have the Wi-Fi already, so you can choose property 1. So you also have this. Then there's also a button here for profile. When you go here, you can see all your information. You can edit the information, delete the information that is already here, and then you also have the button to log out. So now it's logged out, and then you can try logging in again. I can show you login again because it wasn't showed before. So we're back to the website. So this is our practical implementation website. Now let's head over to the code. So part that is done through HTML and CSS. This is the designing. And then we have the JavaScript. So here the carousel function is to move the images, like swipe them one by one. So here we have the sources of the images that we have made ourselves, and then the JavaScript function that will show image to go one by one. And then it's the same for the card page. So this is the designing. And then we have the JavaScript that shows the remove function on the card, the loading of the card, all the products that are added to the card, and then once you press checkout, then the alert that it shows proceeding to checkout, as we saw in the website demo, and then how it just brings you back to an empty cart then. So these are the LWC code. The same is for product catalog, and then the same is for dashboard, and then profile menu. So this is for the front end part. Then let's head over to the classes. So as you can see, for the Apex, this is the backend. So everything that is going through the back. So let's say when you're signing up, when you're logging in, and when you're registering yourself. So when you're registering yourself, you put the first name, last name, nickname, email, and your password. If you forget the password, then when you can change the password, so the calling out for that function. And when you forget it, and then you put it to a new one, and then when you go to your profile page and change your information and put the information, so all of that is added there. So all the login, registration, your profile information, your settings, and then changing password, your dashboard information, so all of that is done through the Apex classes. As you can see, all these classes here. So this is our code, and that was it for our practical implementation. Thank you.